Hello everyone, today we are going to make an easy vegan, gluten, and sugar-free bread with our Balinese pastry chef Pradnya. Use a glove as we are going to make the bread by hand. Here are all the ingredients you will need to make the bread. The whole process is relatively quick, so all you are doing is mixing. Prepare your loaf pan, fold your shredded carrot into your mixture, pour shredded carrot for topping. Bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Let it cool for 30 minutes.